You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these character name from Overwatch 2 for more character names from the game? Make sure to stay tuned because many mispronounced names and that's annoying. Baptiste is how it's said. Yes, the P is silent, okay? So that's a name that's most commonly used in French-speaking countries, including in African-speaking, French-speaking countries. Baptiste, okay? So just ignore the P, not Baptiste, Baptiste. Yeah, Baptiste. It's easy. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.